Do you know how many fruits name mentioned in Quran? Let's discuss another fruit name which is mentioned in Quran.
Banana. In Quran Allah said, "And the tree of Tal, having layers one upon the another." The word Tal refers to banana tree. It's mean that the people of Jannah will enjoy the banana. Bananas are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're rich in potassium, which is crucial for heart health and muscle function. They also contain vitamin C and B6, fiber, and antioxidants, promoting digestion and overall well-being. Plus, they're convenient and delicious. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more Islamic content.